Hi dolls! So this is my second 4th of July inspired look, and if you want to get away from the red, white, and blue theme, this is great to try. Fireworks. So the products I used for this look is Beauty Secrets Hardener for the top and base coat, Yellow Gold by Avon, Black Cream by Wet n Wild, Silver by Forever 21, Reviving Red by Avon, Delicate White, also by Avon, Styled Green by Avon, and Gold by Sinful Colors. For the first color, I used the Delicate White by Avon, and I created a diagonal line, and then I created 4 individual lines coming off of the center point of that first diagonal line. Next, I used Yellow Gold by Avon, and I created 4 more lines in between each of the white lines. I continued the same process with Reviving Red and then Styled Green. Now you're probably thinking the red, the greens, they don't really show up well, but I did that on purpose. I'm using duller colors for each of the stripes just because when I add this gold, it makes it pop more because the gold actually brings out the other colors and it just makes it look better in my opinion. But you can always use brighter colors if you want to. You could use all glitter colors for each of the stripes, for each of the firework stripes if you wanted to. It's really up to you what colors you want to use, but I chose to use the duller colors as the background, and then the gold makes it pop when I added it as the last color on top. And the last color to go on top of everything is the Silver by Forever 21. I really like glitter, so I liked how it made the fireworks shimmer even more than it already did with the gold. And finally, just add a top coat to seal everything in and to keep your nail art lasting longer. And there we go, the final look. If you like this nail art tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys all next week. Thanks for watching.